Okay, tire pressure monitor system installation step 1. We got our power cord, and this is the Tymate. We've got our dash pad, and this has got a couple pieces of plastic on it. It's rubber piece. It's got a little sticky. And then we've got our display in a bag. Now this particular model charges via solar. Got a little solar panel on it there, you see? So the first time when you're installing it, you want to, per the instructions, you want to install it plugged into a power source. This is a USB cable on this end. So we're just going to plug that into our little USB adapter. Plug it into a lighter port. Very simple. For that. There it is. Next step. Plug in. Sure. Yep, here it beat. So it is now charging. I'm not getting any kind of reading because I haven't installed the air pressure things. Now this, you want to make sure you clean the surface that you're going to be mounting this to. Just take off the pieces of plastic. My little rubber pad here. I'm going to set it here on my dash. Right there. Put this on there. And you'll see it's not super sticky because it will come off, but when you're driving, it's not going to fly around. So we're going to leave that plugged in for a while, let it get charged up, and then we will go ahead and install the actual pressure monitors themselves. Alright, so this is step 2 in installing your tire pressure monitoring system. So this is, these are the external, this is an external system, these are external pressure monitor. So this one has an RF on it, this one has an RR. I've already done the left side because I had to climb under my slide. So I'm not going to show that, but it's very, very simple. As you saw, doing the display took 2 minutes. So obviously take your cap off there. The packaging comes with these nuts. These are what kind of keeps these nuts. Yeah. So we just put that on there. Got our RF right front, and this is basically as if you're sitting in your vehicle. We're only putting these on the trailer. You'll hear some air start to release. Just keep twisting until you get past that. Now the nut itself needs to come back. Then you got this little tool here. As simple as that. The other one. Spin that on there. This is right rear. Let's see, spin it right side. This is if I'm driving. There's the air coming out. Spin that back by hand. Tiny bit more there. All right. And that's how simple it is to install the tire pressure monitoring system. Double the time you saw it took me, what, 20 seconds to do each one of those? So 20, 40, a minute, minute and a half, tops. That's step 2. And finally, mount it on your dashboard and put it to use. It's that simple. So now that we have our TPMS system installed, what next? Simple. Leave it plugged in for about 12 hours. After that, you can unplug it, leave it on your dashboard, and it will charge itself from the mighty power of the sun. Solar powered. We traveled about 500 miles since installing that. The peace of mind knowing that I can just check to see what the pressure is on all 4 of my tires, and in addition the temperature. It also has temperature readings, and you can set that to either Fahrenheit or Celsius for our European standard friends. Got me and my family safely where we wanted to be, and at all times I knew exactly what was going on with my tires. 2 years ago we had 2 blowouts in our first rig on the same day. And I wish we had had the Tymate TPMS monitoring system installed on that, because we probably could have avoided one or both of those. I can't stress enough the importance of tire safety. Highly recommend this product. We do have an affiliate link below. If you purchase through our link, you know, we will get paid a little bit. No additional cost to you. Thank you for supporting the Trippin' Brahinis, by the way. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell to get notified anytime we upload a new video. Be on the road!